You're gonna love the 2018 Chevrolet Spark. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Spark delivers the basics you need to get from point A to point B and adds efficiency, style, connectivity, advanced safety features, and hatchback convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Small and efficient means safe and stylish in the Spark. See for yourself. Take it out for a spin.